Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the S12 Pro Smart Rear View Camera. I'm really excited to show you what makes this camera stand out. From its high definition daytime and nighttime video to advanced features like its ADAS, blind spot detection, and its smart interface. It's touchscreen too. Let's dive in. First off, the S12 Pro has a crystal clear daytime display. Whether it's bright sun or shadows, the image stays sharp and you can always see what's behind you. And yes, it looks as good as it feels in your hands. Check this out, daytime driving. The S12 Pro captures everything in high definition. Even small details on the road, signs, and vehicles behind you remain clear. This is really helpful for safety and peace of mind. And if you like tech convenience, the mirror has voice control and touchscreen operation.
Recording stopped.
So you can access everything without taking your eyes off the road. With the Red Tiger S12 Pro, taking a picture is super simple. Just say, "Take picture," and the dash cam instantly snaps a high-resolution image of the road. No need to touch the screen, it's completely hands-free. Perfect for capturing important moments safely while driving. Watch this. Lock the video.
Video locked.
The Red Tiger S12 Pro also includes parking mode, a smart feature that keeps watch even when you're away from your car. If a motion or impact is detected, the camera automatically records a short video clip for evidence. It's your silent guard protecting your vehicle around the clock. You can also use the companion app for additional settings and recordings and playback. So here's where it really shines, nighttime. The S12 Pro uses STARVIS 2 Night Vision Master with the IMX675 sensor. That means it balances bright headlights and dark shadows so critical details are always visible, even in very low light. Look at how clear it is. Other mirrors just wash out or lose details at night, but the S12 Pro keeps everything sharp. Safety doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The S12 Pro isn't just a mirror, it's a driver assist system. With ADAS, it warns you about lane departures and potential collisions, and blind spot detection, or BSD, keeps an eye on the spots you can't see in your mirrors, helping you change lanes safely. These features are subtle but powerful. They make your drive safer without being distracting. So that's the S12 Pro Smart Mirror. High definition day and night vision, ADAS, and BSD safety features, plus its touchscreen, voice control, and app operation. Whether it's sunny, dark, or busy traffic, this mirror keeps you aware and in control. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, this is definitely one to check out.